I'm the Genius Asian. Welcome to the Genius family. Many years ago, I showed you how to clean gutters without a ladder. Check out that video here. At that time, only 100,000 people in US each year were treated due to falling from ladders. Now the government is saying there are 500,000 people in US each year who are treated due to falling from ladders.
Today I'm going to show you how to clean gutters on a 2-story house. With a 2-story house, if you are climbing ladders and fall, not only might you be injured, you might die. So please share this video with your friends. Make sure they don't use ladders unnecessarily. There are 2 problems with high gutters. A, when you hold a tall extension pole, for each pound of lateral force on the top, you will feel 10 to 20 times more force on your 2 hands because of the leverage. So it will be difficult for you to hold the pole if there is significant lateral force. B, when you move the extension pole only 10 degrees, the top of a 20-foot pole will move 3 feet. So it will be difficult for you to pinpoint the location accurately. We will resolve those problems in this video. First, we want to see the gutter blockage to find a proper solution. I use a GoPro camera to view. This GoPro connects to a cell phone through Wi-Fi. See, I can see exactly what's up there. If you don't have a GoPro, you can use a second cell phone. For more information about this setup, please visit the URL of my surveillance video. See, one cell phone is the camera phone, the other cell phone is a viewer phone. You can check out my other video on how to attach cell phones to almost anything. We will use a water jet since any air sucking or blowing method will not work well on a gutter full of water. However, since we don't have a water pressure machine, we will use a nozzle. You may wish to adjust the nozzle. The smaller the diameter of the water stream coming from the nozzle, the stronger the water jet is. Let's do an experiment. I use a kitchen weight scale to measure the force. I set the stopper to lock the nozzle as always open. The stronger the jet is, the stronger the counter reaction is. I place the nozzle freely against the kitchen weight scale. See, the counter reaction is 1 pound. Recall, this 1 pound on top will place 20 pounds of pressure on your hands. I bend a paint roller. I will tie the nozzle and hose onto the paint roller like this. I use duct tape to tape over the handle to lock the nozzle as always open. I tape the section of the hose onto the pole. The nozzle is tilted slightly towards one side. To attach a cell phone, first cover it with plastic wrap. With 1 piece of duct tape on the front, 1 on the back, and 2 on a diagonal across, this is very secure. Taping to the hose alone may not stick well because of dirt, but taping to other pieces of tape is very secure. Make sure the camera is pointing at the nozzle. Cut the plastic wrap around the camera. To attach a GoPro, the easiest is to use the GoPro mount for bicycle handlebars. See, it goes on the hose just like it fits on bike handlebars. Make sure the camera is pointing at the nozzle. I also have other GoPro mounts like this, which could also be used. You may need duct tape to secure it. Again, make sure the camera is pointing at the nozzle. Try to settle the nozzle inside the gutter securely. Make sure you latch the nozzle on the gutter first. This way you reduce the chance of losing control with lateral force. And then you open the water valve. This way, even if there is some lateral force, you can still handle it. You should start from the downspout first. Don't move away from the downspout until you see water pouring from the outlet. If the water jet does not work at the downspout, use wire from a coat hanger to unclog it. Then you move only a few inches away from the downspout to clean the new dirt and observe the outlet. If the downspout becomes blocked, then you will need to move back to the downspout location to unclog it again. You should always watch the downspout outlet to make sure the downspout is clear. If you are in a hurry to move all the dirt to the downspout at once, you are only achieving the opposite by clogging the downspout. So, as long as you are patient, this move a few inches at a time strategy can even clear a heavily clogged gutter. If you have a big branch that cannot go down the downspout, you may need a mechanical grabber, but the probability of a second-story gutter having a big branch is pretty low.
Share this with people who you know that need it. Leave your own genius tips in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm the Genius Asian. Subscribe for more useful videos.